Hello guys, look, this is the Sorolpara guys, look, and water is flowing very smoothly guys, look, and water is very clear and crystal guys, look. So many people are enjoying at this time, and this place is located in between India and Bhutan border guys, look. So many people are enjoying at this time guys because this is the Indian culture. So many Boro people and different types of people are also enjoying at this time. Some are enjoying and drinking guys. They are enjoying lot of guys, and you will get to see also so many biggest stone guys. This is the incredible moment guys. And this water is coming from the Bhutan guys. Look, beautiful. This place is surrounded by the only mountains, and only you will get to see water flowing here in the Sorolpara guys. Look. And this place is known as popularly Sorolpara guys. Look. Beautiful place guys. Look. Beautiful water is coming from the Bhutan guys. Look, beautiful, and at this time I am really having fun guys. Look, beautiful guys. Look how people are enjoying, lot of enjoying guys. Look, and if you really want to see this beautiful place, then come here in the Sorolpara guys. Look, anyway guys, thank you, bye.